I'm so glad you're here. I'm so excited to introduce you to my new Federal Heights listing, 1360 South Temple Street. Come on in. Make yourself at home. Not only does this significant address make this jewel box a standout, but it is the elegance, warmth, and its dashing and modern features that make this treasure a home. Several years ago, a renowned interior designer renovated this diamond in the rough as his own personal residence using only the most dapper and sophisticated materials. No details were overlooked in the classy renovation inside and out. Timeless charm of 1937 classic architecture in one of the city's best neighborhoods blends gracefully with a modern and open floor plan. On-trend, inviting living spaces are defined by warm color accents, abundant natural light, exceptional millwork, custom built-ins, window seats, and a contemporary kitchen with high style and top-notch features. Top floor offers spacious bedrooms, one with a cozy fireplace, one with ensuite bath, and a den, which could double as a fourth bedroom. Laundry is conveniently located on both the top floor and on the lower level, which presents a full mother-in-law suite perfect for visiting family, the live-in nanny, or medical resident. A nod to the historic time when the house was built, you will find gorgeous mosaic marble tile in bathrooms and stunning lighting throughout. From the covered patio, relish in the magical and serene gardens, expertly landscaped with blooming perennials, mature trees, beautiful flagstone patio and paths, a fire pit, and a fountain. A heated she shed offers space for potting and planting, or a quiet refuge for the budding artist. Minutes to the University of Utah Pac-12 campus, which includes renowned primary children's hospital and the Huntsman Cancer Institute. Walk to local eateries and abundant cultural amenities, businesses, and Reservoir Park, where you'll enjoy urban green space, tennis and pickleball, and the Art Barn, one of the city's many community art centers. Not only is this home located in prestigious Federal Heights, but on iconic South Temple Street, which serves as a major east-west corridor bounded by residential neighborhoods and the University of Utah to the east and historic Union Pacific Railroad depot to the west. Running 18 blocks long, the street encompasses everything from a mature tree-lined mixed-use district with historic homes and retail establishments to the city's central business area and downtown. Historic commentary is that South Temple, or Brigham Boulevard, was originally a dirt road and was developed as a stately residential street when early business leaders started building homes there. As mining became an economic powerhouse in Utah, the wealthiest families built their mansions along South Temple. Today, it is home to the world's richest compendium of historic buildings, Mormon and Masonic temples, Presbyterian and Catholic churches, the Alta Club, which serves as a forum for business development and social interactions, and stately homes of bygone era, including the Kearns Mansion, currently home to our state's governor. A symphony of history, modern design and flow, and quiet serenity make this home a treasure. Come see for yourself. You are invited. Welcome home to 1360 South Temple Street.